Create WBS dictionary. No more creating WBS dictionary in Primavera P6 one by one. Use the Create WBS dictionary feature to quickly create your desired WBS in Excel and upload to Primavera P6 directly. To do so, click on Create WBS, and it will open a template. First, you need to enter your main code of the project. For example, we will use the code PR01. In that template, start typing your WBS under the level columns according to the structure you want. After you've created your desired WBS, click again on Create WBS, and save the XER file. Open Primavera P6, and import the file as a project, and you will see the WBS structure that you've created. And don't worry about mistakes, the software will correct you with prompts, just like this one.